Good morning, class 4. I'm Shaila Goel, your English teacher. Today I am here with the poem A Naughty Little Comet, written by Ella Wheeler Wilcox. Ella Wheeler Wilcox was an American poet and a journalist who used to love writing the poems. She used to write about the fantasy, about the planets, and visualize various things. Do you know what is a Milky Way? Milky Way is a galaxy that contains our solar system. There are several stars, planets, moons, and comets, and other unidentified rocks in our galaxy. What is a comet, students? Comet is a mass of ice and dust that moves around the sun and looks like a bright star with a tail. There was a little comet who lived near the Milky Way. She loved to wander out at night and jump about and play. See, students, the poet wants to tell that a comet lived near the Milky Way. She roamed and played around at night. She loves moving here and there and enjoyed its movement. The mother of the comet was a very good old star. She used to scold her reckless child for venturing out too far. Her mother told the comet that she should not go near the star, that is, the sun, because she herself is very old and she knew all about the galaxy and she did not want her child to go near the sun. Okay, because of she is worried about the wellness of the comet. She knew if it goes near the sun, she could melt away. She told her of the ogre sun who loved on stars to sup and who asked no better pastime than in gobbling comets up. In this poem, the sun is compared to an ogre, a cruel and frightening giant who eats comets by spoonfuls. The mother star is trying to tell Comet not to go near the sun. Again, because it is going to melt if it comes in contact with the sun. That is why she is telling about this mean sun who eats the comets. But instead of growing cautious and of showing proper fear, the foolish little comet edged up nearer and more near. Even after the warnings by the mother, the comet did not pay any heed. He did not feel any kind of a fear, and he used to go nearer to the sun, more and more nearer. She defied his mother and never listened to her. She switched her saucy tail along where the sun could see and flirted with old Mars and was as bold could be. Now, students, Comet does not have a tail, but ice and dust melts and it takes a tail like shape. That is why we can say that it has a saucy tail. It is said that this comet used to flirt with the Mars and stood where the sun could see her. She enjoyed teasing stationary stars and planets, and she was very, very bold. Very, very bold. She laughed to scorn the quiet stars who never frisked about. She said there was no fun in life unless you ventured out. Students, as you have understood, this comet is very fun loving. Okay, she wants to move here and there. She loves having fun. And for her, the fun is going here and there and jumping. She laughs on the quiet stars who are blinking in the sky, who are shining in the sky quietly. She asks them whether they enjoyed their life as they can sit quietly. She used to laugh on them that there is no fun in their life as they are not moving about. She liked to make the planets stir and wished no better mirth than just to see the telescopes aimed at her from the earth. When the people used to see her through the telescope, she used to love it. She used to feel the ultimate happiness. Loved that the planets were staring at her. She felt very, very happy when everyone was aiming at her. Okay, she wondered how so many stars could mop through nights and days and let the sickly faced old moon get all the love and praise. She wondered how all the stars could bear to see this sickly moon getting so much appreciation when they were all floating around in the sky. See, students, this comet think that with the moon the stars are also shining. They are quiet, but they are also there in the sky. So it is not fair that the moon should get all the appreciation and the stars are overlooked. So she is asking the question that how you can be very quiet when moon is getting all the appreciation. And as she talked and tossed her head and switched her shining trail, the staid old mother star grew sad and her cheek grew wan and pale. Comet used to go here and there. She used to move here and there and loved doing it. Seeing this young comet's arrogance, this mother was becoming sad and sad. Her mother is an old star. She has been there in the sky for more than million years and had heard other comets talk like her child. She fears for her child and that is why she is getting sad. She thinks that her child is in danger as she is moving here and there without any thought about the safety. So she is sad, she is pale, and she is lifeless. For she had lived there in the skies a million years or more, and she had heard gay comets talk in just this way before. This comet is very gregarious. Okay, she loves going here and there. But the mother who is very old and has seen every comet talk like this. She has seen that comets come and go, and they die. And by, there come an end to this gaze comet fun. She went a tiny bit too far and vanished in the sun. What happened, beta? Exactly at the same time, the same thing happened with this comet. She was very fun loving. By mistake, she went little bit nearer to the sun, and this sun ate this comet away. This comet traveled too far and was eaten by the sun, and the mother just saw it and became more sad. No more she swings her shining tail before the world's sight, but quite stars she loved to scorn are twinkling every night. It is seen that there is no comet she cannot swing her tail. The comet who used to laugh on these stars was not there, but the quiet stars she laughed to scorn are twinkling in every night. That means the stars are there, but this comet is not there. Her bright trail cannot be seen, but the stars are there. So, students, what have you learned? That we should be cautious. We should heed to our parents. We should listen to our parents, what they are saying, and we should learn from their experience. I hope you will understand from this poem what is the importance of the parents' warning. Have a happy learning, students. Enjoy.